Hey guys, this is Sushmita here and you are watching Sushmita's channel, and today I am showing this tutorial right here. This is a very smoky black look as you can see, and do hit the bell button, and if you like my channel please subscribe my channel and keep watching. Starting off with Makeup Revolution Fortuna Favors the Brave palette. It has a 30 eyeshadow palette. So from this palette, the first shade I am taking is Buffer. It is a neutral shade. Using this as a transition base on both the eyelid. The next shade I am picking is shade number 20, Drama Queen. It is a greyish dark shade for the transition. Taking this shade with Focalure small brown brush, making a transition shade. And now next shade I am picking is the shade number 22, Blackwa, with an angular brush used precisely on upper lids. This is a black shade. Next I'm using is concealer, and this is for the first concealer I am using. It is from Cosmetics 2X Cover Master Concealer in the shade 06 Golden Russet, taking a flat definer brush to cut the crease on both the eyelids. And I am making a full cut crease here. Now for the eyeshadow, this is from Cosmetics and it is in the shade 07 Buzz. It is a glitter eyeshadow. I'm using this on the remaining of my eyelid space with a flat definer brush from Focalure. This is repurchased. If you want video on this, comment down below. Now taking the next shade from the palette, Buffer and Drama Queen. Now for the inner corner I am using the shade Ice Cloud. It is the shade number 09. And now for waterline I am using Wet n Wild color Icon Kohl Eye Pencil in the shade Calling Your Buff, in using this under my waterline. You can use any liner of your choice. I am using a pen liner here. Curling some eyelashes using some mascara, and my cult favorite mascara is from Maybelline Hypercurl Mascara. Getting ready for lashes, using the lashes from Giselle. And this is the final look. As you can see how smoky and glittery eye look that has turned out. It is a very glitter party look. So if you like this video, share, like and subscribe and give a thumbs up. Till then, take care. Bye bye.